Hello, Namaste. Today we'll see how to cancel order on Amazon. You just have to go to Amazon app. As you see in the picture, you click on three lines. After clicking on that, this kind of page appears before you. Click on orders. Select the order that you want to cancel. Click on the recent order you have placed. After clicking on that, you will see all the order details. As you see in the picture, here I have ordered Morton Mosquito liquid refill. I want to cancel this order. As you see in the picture, you have got the option of cancel items. You just have to click on that. Here you have to make sure whether the item is selected or not. It is auto selected, and the reason you can write for the cancellation of your order, but it's optional. So come down, click on cancel checked items. Once you click on that, your item that you have ordered gets cancelled. You can go to your orders and check once again. As you see in the picture, you will see cancelled orders in your orders list. You can go through that and check once again after cancelling the order whether your order is being cancelled or not. And you can also check out whether you have got refund or not for the cancelled item, because there will be instant refund for the cancelled item. Okay, in this way you can cancel your orders that you have placed by mistake on Amazon. But please don't often cancel your orders or place return requests for your orders that has been delivered for you, as Amazon would flag your accounts, because we see day after day scams or fraudulent cases coming up. So that's it all for today. If you have got any doubts, ask me in the comment section. Keep smiling. Have a good day.